Good morning, everybody. It is October 2nd, 2011, but it feels like late October. Low temperatures this morning were in the 30s across many of our counties, lower 40s in some. I recorded a low of 37 degrees in my sheltered thermometer, and that's usually the most accurate thermometer I have. So 37 degrees. That is cold for October 2nd. Here it is about 9:30 in the morning. We see temperatures have risen into the 40s and even some 50s, and you see cloud cover pretty much non-existent. Mostly sunny skies this morning. Could be a few patches of clouds later today, puffy cumulus type clouds, but not a big deal, and we really don't have any dramatic weather to talk about. Let's take a look again here. Satellite, it's clear. Let's look at the week ahead, and you see the storm system out west that we've been talking about for a while now, that it may impact our region towards the end of the week, but let's follow it through. This is generally shows you where rain is expected. This is on Wednesday morning. There you see Thursday morning, and now we head into Friday morning, and you see it off to our west, but it looks like a lot of the energy is going to be shunted off to our north. Look back here in the Rockies, and you even see some snow. Let's move ahead to Saturday morning. You see it knocking on our door. Now, whether that cold front will make it this far and will it bring precipitation, that's the question for Saturday and Sunday. The ensemble models don't agree on this. One thing I'm fairly certain of is that the most intense weather will stay off to our north as that low tracks through the lee of the Rockies up into the Central Plains into Minnesota and then Canada. Maybe then with the trailing cold front. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at high temperatures. This is for today. 60s across our region. This is brilliant weather. You just can't get better weather than this. For Monday, lower 70s, very nice. Tuesday, 75, 77 degrees. Again, in the 70s generally. Maybe reaching 80 degrees by Wednesday. That would be above normal or getting closer to normal, maybe a little bit above normal. And then 81 on Thursday, somewhere in the lower 80s, upper 70s seems about right for Thursday. And then Friday, you see generally 70s and 80s over the region. And then Saturday, again with that possible cold front, you see us move back down into the 70s, which is more normal for this time of the year. Let's take a look at the jet stream this morning at the 500 millibar level, and you see this big trough in the east, see this wound up low pulling down the Canadian air. That's why we've got the cool air mass. But we put this forward. We go to Monday. Let's go to Tuesday. Fairly calm through here with the winds. And then you see the storm pulling out of the southwest United States. See this big jet stream. We're going to watch that piece of energy move through the southwest into the central United States. Anytime you have strong winds in here and a low back here, you're going to have moisture pulled up, and you're going to have some showers and thunderstorms, even some snow this time of year out behind the system. We'll keep an eye on it. You see how it shunts off to the north, though. Let me rewind that. Now watch it come in. There it goes. And see how that energy is shunted off to the north on Saturday and then Sunday, pulling away into Canada. Most of the energy pulling away into Canada. And that leaves us with possibly a cold front of some sort for the weekend. We'll keep an eye on it, and then we'll watch another system move in for next week. So possibly some rain down the road a little bit. Let's look at the tropics this morning. Big hurricane out here in the Atlantic, and that's going to be moving off to the east of the east coast, so we're not going to have to worry about that particular system. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. This is next Thursday through next Monday. Shows above normal temperatures for our region. That's the probability. If we look beyond that to 8 to 14 days, and this takes us October 10th through October 14th, generally normal to maybe above normal temperatures. So we'll keep an eye on that. Let's click on the precipitation as well. This is the 8 to 14 day precip outlook, and it does show that we become a bit more active with chances of rain. So if this is true, that means that towards the end of next week into the following week, we should start to see some more weather systems. Let's take one quick look at that big hurricane off the east coast out in the Atlantic. Look at that eye. This is visible imagery from yesterday, and you can see it's really wound up there. This is off the American Weather Forums, and just a great satellite presentation of a big hurricane. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a great Sunday. Great weather outside today. Enjoy it.